If you don't like getting in a hot car in summer, you can prevent it with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here. It is a hot summer day. It's like 90 something. People are doing their yard work. I don't know why. I'm already sweating out here. I'm actually in the shade, but here is my Buick Encore, and it's a black car, which means it gets very hot. Very large windshield, and that just heats up everything inside because of the greenhouse effect. And I actually have, oh my gosh, whew, this car is hot. But I actually have one of these folding windshield screens that, at least when I park the car outside, it prevents it from heating up any faster than it would. It reflects that light back out. Now, one of the things that someone mentioned here, actually a viewer, said that they make something like that in an umbrella format, and this is what this is. It's Aikesi, and it does look like an umbrella. In fact, when I was unboxing it, I was like, did I order an umbrella? And then I remembered, I ordered an umbrella sunshade, and that's what I did here. So let's open this thing up and see if it's any easier than putting in the folding sunshade. All right, so here's what we get. It actually comes in this little cover here, so I'm just gonna put that down. And then we have what looks just like a regular umbrella, kind of a plastic handle on this end, little lanyard and loop, and it has a very long Velcro strap around it. So I think that's gonna help wrap it up. But as you can see, it looks like an umbrella, except the material definitely looks like one of those sunshade things. And if I show you here, it looks like it opens up just like an umbrella too. There is a tiny little button right here to release it. Usually that's on the outside in umbrellas, but if I hit that, now I can kind of pull it out. It doesn't extend automatically, which is kind of nice, because I think if you use this in your car, you don't want this thing to fire open, but you extend it manually and then it will lock in right up there. Now, what you can see is that looks like an umbrella that is black on this side and it is silver on this side. I could actually use it to do a little sunning here. Oh yeah, I'm baking real good. Now I will tell you, it's actually pretty flat. I'm pretty impressed with this thing. And I think the point of this here is that you can then brace it, kind of like a tripod leg on your dashboard or something like this, but hopefully this will just fit in there. Now I will also say, I'm gonna hit the button here and retract it. I think the trick on this might be to kind of put it where you need it first and then deploy it so that you can get it underneath your rearview mirror. So let's try it out and see if it works. Now what I want to show you here is with this folding one, it's a little hard because it's rigid. And the big problem here is getting it around the rearview mirror because it's so large. So you have to really kind of wedge it down here, kind of get one side up around the rearview mirror, the other side up here, and then you got to make sure everything's folded out. And if it's not kind of laying on both edges of the rearview mirror, it won't stay up there, and there's a pretty good gap up there too. And if it is just kind of off the mirror one side or the other, this side is not supported. And what I've noticed here is if you don't balance it right, it can actually just kind of fall away from the mirror. And so sometimes I've come out to my car and this thing is down, probably is doing a little bit of work reflecting sunlight out, but it's definitely not working great. So again, here I go. I'm just gonna put it up there. I can tell which are the wide sides. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and deploy it. Oh, what's kind of interesting is it kind of bends here as you're deploying it. So it kind of fills out this section, and it's really actually, because this is fabric, it's kind of forming itself around the back of the mirror here. So it's definitely wedged up there pretty nicely. I was saying that this might work as a tripod leg, but this is completely floating. It's not touching my dash anywhere, and it is really wedged on the bottom. Now I will say it's kind of expanded out farther than the sides, but I can close this door and it doesn't interfere. So one thing I will mention is that they did have these in some different dimensions, and you want to make sure that you get generally the right size. But even though this is wider than the glass, because it's kind of being pressed up against these A-pillars here, I don't think it's a problem. I think that works. Especially if you have one that's exactly the right size, it might tuck itself underneath up at the top of the A-pillars. But I'll tell you what, that is really, really nice actually. I'm kind of impressed by that. And the other big benefit about this is, man, it's that easy to remove too. And it's very small, so now I can just put it down next to me, as opposed to this one, even when it is folded up here, this thing is pretty big, and I put it down here in the footwell when I'm not using it, and if someone else is driving with me, I always have to find a place to put this, so I have to throw it in the back. So just kind of unfolding this thing, especially when you are in your car like this, I mean, this is about as quick as I can do it here. And really wedge it down there on the bottom, get it up there like this, and then kind of just hope it stays. I mean, it works, and I didn't really realize there were any better options. But if I take this and try to do the same thing in the same amount of time, wow, That was way easier. Dude, I really love this thing. I didn't even know umbrella sunshades were a real thing, but this is actually a brilliant little invention. So much more compact. It's easier to deploy, easier to take off, and I think it's going to really help keep your car cool in the summer. So if you don't like heat, which I don't, because I turn into a sweaty mess, then I think you'll really like one of these. And they were really affordable. So if you want to pick up one of these, keep yourself cool in the summer, keep your dashboard from peeling, cracking, keep your occupants a lot happier when you're jumping in a car, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter. Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
If you don't want a hot car in the summer, you can prevent it with this. Oh, geez, that was the wrong way. So if you want to pick up one of these, keep yourself cool in the winter. In the winter?